The selfish double parker blocking the traffic. He just
supposed to have, like, you know, the action button on the 15.
See, I opened the path for her because I know she was behind me trying to get between us. Open the path for her. She's mad at that guy because he's in that lane going slow.
What's your order? Your caramel frappe? No,
Huh?
no. Okay, can you park in number 2, please?
Alright.
Yeah. Give me one moment.
This is stupid, man.
Alright, so 20 piece, medium fries, no salt.
Yeah.
Right?
Thank you. Annoying guys, man. You don't understand. And you know why they do that? They don't want to make it look bad that they wait in lines for so long, but they push people out so make it look like it's less people, but it's like at the expense of what, you know?